Welcome to our virtual tour. Build your new home and enjoy beautiful Joyfield Township in Benzie County on one of these wooded parcels, each with some open space. Options for parcels between 10.61 acres and 59.17 acres if you purchased all 4 parcels. Parcel A-6 and Parcel A-5 are each 13.67 acres, while Parcels A-4 and A-3 are each 10.61 acres. Zoned rural so horses are welcomed. The Grand Traverse Regional Land Conservancy's Misty Acres features hiking trails over a 600-acre property that straddles the Benzie-Manistee County line just down the road. Enjoy your virtual tour.